Welcome back. Ooh, spooky hands in May, which by the way, halfway to Halloween. Welcome back, my name is Teresa and I'm very much alive. And I also have a lot of energy, so whatever. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth for sometimes, just sometimes. I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. We have a Glossybox, y'all, which, we'll get into the packaging here in a second, but this is the Let the Sun Shine box. Ooh. First and foremost, I want to say thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this my way. You like that? I know you like that, because I liked it too. If you are interested in ever checking out Glossybox, well babies, I got a code for you. If you use the code Theresa1, you can get your first box for $1 if you sign up for a 12-month subscription. And you're probably saying,
Teresa, I don't even know what a Glossybox is.
Well, Gina, let me tell you all about it.
Glossybox is a beauty subscription box. Each month we deliver 5 hand-picked beauty products straight to your doorstep inside our iconic pink box, or sometimes specialty boxes. Ooh. Expect a mix of makeup, skincare, fragrance, and hair care from a huge array of international beauty brands. Each box is always worth at least $75, so you can guarantee great value as well as something new and exciting each month.
What is also really nice about Glossybox is that you have several different subscription options. So you can do month to month, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Again, if you use the code Theresa1, you can get your first box for $1 if you sign up for a 12-month subscription. So if you're interested in this self-care treat every month that will get delivered straight to your door, then look no further and check the link in the description box below. But without further ado, let's open this motherfucker up. First and foremost, I got rid of the normal little Glossybox box, but I did get this thing in there, which is from the Velvet, and it has the same little logo, which by the way, this looks like a butthole. I can't help but not stick my finger in it. This will probably be my last time with Glossybox, so let's just give it a whirl, boys, all right? So this is a gift card from the Velvet, I guess. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, Velvet Eyewear. Here, snap it, use it, love it, run with it. Never say I never gave you anything. Use the code. All right, so let's open this bitch up. I like kind of throwing it up, ejecting it just makes me feel better. All right, so Glossybox, bitch. Ooh, there are mini buttholes in here. Love that. In every Glossybox, you do get this cute little magazine that tells you all about the products and bloopity blop blop. So we're gonna hold on to this, put it over here. And I have misophonia, so we're just gonna finger blast our way through this. All right. All right, the pubes are a little crazy today. All right. Ooh, we got stuff. We got stuff. What is this stuff? All right. Oh, that's a mom color. Oh, that's a fucking mom color. That's my mom's color. So these are the products that you get in this month's box, which we do love a good butthole box. I'm definitely gonna keep it just so I can laugh at it. But if we do open this up, let's talk about the first product, which I think it's this thing. So let's move these little babes over here. I'm gonna go with this one. Ooh, it looks like blood. I love things that look like blood. Anyway, so this is from Earth Harbor, and this is the Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule. I don't even think I'm saying that properly. I don't even know what that means. It just sounds fancy though. Unparalleled in strength for combining pollutants and daily skin stressors. How about daily bob stressors? Jesus Christ. That man is getting on my last fucking nerve. This computer,
Ampule.
Thank you. Is it necessary for skin in need of after-sun replenishment? Ooh! Bold defense against the elements and thriving barrier function. It restores antioxidants, normalizes skin pH, and smooths fine lines. Listen, anything that smooths fine lines, I am fucking here for. I have student loan stress lines, and we're just trying to laser those puppies off, okay? I don't have the money for Botox and lasers and all that good stuff, so I'm relying on this shit to do it for me. So this retails for $48, and apparently you just apply 2 or more drops in your skin after cleansing and toning, and you just massage away. I am intrigued by try this. In any case, I hope it's good. Okay, so here's the thing. Technically, I was supposed to receive something. This kind of sucks. I was supposed to receive something from Josephine Cosmetics, and this is the Do You Flawless Liquid Highlighter in the shade Claire, which, I mean, from the picture, I don't know, it kind of looks like it could go either way for me, right? Unfortunately, I did not receive that. Instead, I received this Bella Pierre Stay Put Brow Gel in the shade Chestnut. So this shade automatically is going to be way too dark for me, so I can't use it. I'm not going to swatch it because I know people that probably would have better use for it. So kind of bummed out that I didn't get the highlighter, but yeah. Okay. Anyway, the highlighter retails for $36. I have no idea what this retails for, so the next thing is from the brand Knep? Nip Knep? Ew. And this is the Valerian and Hops Mineral Bath Salts. And I guess the flavor for this is bath salts flavor? Does that make sense? Anyway, this is in the, I want to say the shade so badly. This is in the flavor of Dreams Away. After a busy day, nothing's better than a pampering bath. These stress-relieving salts promote better sleep thanks to calming benefits of valerian essential oil. This pure, uncontaminated thermal spring salt cleanses and naturally detoxifies. So, you know what's really funny? I first was going to be like, you know, I live in an apartment, my bathtub, I ain't trying to taft myself in a bathtub, okay? Listen. I'm not tafting myself here. And if you don't know what that is, Taft was a president who was just known for being fat, which I hope to never be just known as a fat man either. That would be kind of weird. Theresa.is.Dead, great channel, great fat man. Anyway, so they actually have a tip in the pamphlet and they said, no bathtub, no problem. Pour this into a large bowl of warm water and sink your feet into a soothing soak. My husband likes soaking his feet with Epsom salt and all that stuff. So you know what? I'm kind of curious if he might try this out. This could be potentially good for him. So this little guy retails for $4 and this is just like a little packet. If you wanted the full size, it's about 20 bucks and 17.63 ounces. This is just 2.1 ounces. So yeah, all right. The next thing from the brand is Aveda, and this is the Nutriplenish leave-in conditioner. Shield your hair from UV rays and heat damage from this 98% naturally derived formula, free from silicones, parabens, and sulfate cleansers. It protects against the drying effects of the sun, leaving your hair nourished all day long. This is a full-size product. It retails for $37, and I don't really fuck with leave-in conditioners, but doesn't mean I'm not gonna start now. I'm very simple when it comes to hair products, so this I feel like might be a little bit out of my comfort zone, so I might actually pass this off. Irina, looking at you. Product is actually not in this pamphlet at all. Instead, it looks like a deluxe mini of the brand Polar. Very high protection sun cream, SPF 50. Kind of bummed that I'm not getting that because I have been trying to make it a point to, you know, like be one with society, and I want to protect my face, so I actually ordered a bunch of SPFs that I'm going to be like testing out and playing with, but that would have been really cool to get that. Instead, I got this color that reminds me of my mother. So I definitely think I'm going to be passing this on to her. And I mean, it's kind of giving me real estate vibes a little bit. Or, you know, a lady that has been a secretary for way too long and she smokes Virginia Slims 120s. You know what I mean? Like, or actually, wait, Misty's. I should say it's Misty's, not Virginia Slims. The kind of lady that drinks beer out of a wine glass. You know what I mean? This is really not my kind of color, but it's still pretty. It's just, you know, it's just the mom color. Anyway, this is the price. Ooh, exciting. And then last but not least, this is actually an extra treat exclusively for loyal subscribers, which is really fucking cool. And this is from the brand, oh man, I cannot pronounce it. Urage? I don't know. Let's keep saying it. Urage? I love how I sound optimist, like Urage. I like how the inflection goes. Urage? This is thermal water. You're probably saying, well, what the fuck is that? Well, let me tell you. Packaged directly at the source of the French Alps and fulfilled with mineral salts, the skincare water is just what you need to moisturize, soothe, and protect your skin. It's perfect for those hot summer days ahead. So this is a travel size, so it retails for about $3.50. If you wanted the full size, it's about $12. I need to literally spray my face with this. Hold, please. Ooh. That's so cool. Oh my god, yes, bitch. Oh, I feel so expensive. Don't open your mouth. Ooh, don't open your mouth. It kind of feels like I've been in the ocean a little bit. Oof, okay, all right. Maybe I happen to spray my face a little bit too much. Hold on, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I kind of feel like I ran a mile. Who are we kidding? I ran 2 feet. This is cool though. Honestly, this makes me miss my one coworker, Diana. Diana, if you're watching, I miss you. Diana went on to bigger and better things. She's in California right now, so we no longer work together. I love her to pieces. She's one of the reasons why I started this channel. So I think we should all thank Diana. So in the comments, please say thank you, Diana. Or no thank you, Diana, if you don't like me, which that's rude, by the way, but whatever. Anyway, so she used to have a product similar to this, but it was Evian, and she used to spray the shit out of herself with it, so it made me miss her. So this makes me think of her. Ugh, I gotta call her. All right, so this is fun. If you do get this, just don't open your mouth. It's kind of very sea salty. But my skin does feel nice and refreshed though, so I like it. All right, let's talk about some of the stuff in this box. You know, I'm not gonna lie, I think I would have been more interested had the stuff that was featured in this pamphlet been in the box. I think I would be more interested in it because I feel like a lot of the stuff I already have made plans of giving it away. And that's the kind of thing about subscription boxes. I think there's some good in it, especially if you are someone that wants to try a lot of different things and you don't really know where to start. A subscription box could really be great, especially if you're looking for trying new products. What I like about Glossybox is that you do get a lot of different products, right? It's not always makeup, it's not always skincare. There is like a nice variety of different things. Some great, some not so great. And that's kind of the game you play with subscription boxes. So with that said, yeah, this was not my favorite box. I think the thing that I'm probably really gonna hold on to is the blood serum, the sea salty spray, zombie bath salts, and yeah, probably giving this stuff away. So I would say half the box, right? Yeah, I guess half the box. Ooh, not my favorite. So I'm really hoping that next month it'll be a better box. But in any case, I want to say thank you so much for Glossybox for sending this my way. All right, let me hear from y'all. If you do get Glossybox, did you get this box? Did you get something different? Let me know because I want to hear from you and I love you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, to all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, sun-soaked, I don't know what that means, sun-soaked garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you and I love your adorable little face and I just want to eat you all up. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, ooh, and where to get my merch and my bloopity blop blop and my podcast and my woozle wutzels, if you want to know all that stuff, it'll be linked in the description box below. And I'll see you little Laffy Taffies later. Bye. Bye. It just feels appropriate. Actually, hold on, wait. Where's my butthole? Bye.